Hey everyone, welcome to the Tech Stack Hub. In this 7-minute crash course, we are going to get you in and running with VS Code. Even if you are starting completely from scratch, let's download VS Code first and install in your desktop, Linux or Mac PC first, and then install completely. Let's dive in. First, open as Visual Studio Code. Click on File, open folder, set to save the workspace. Once the folder is open, here is the quick tool for the interface. On the left sidebar, you will see Explorer, Search, Source Control, Run and Debug, and extensions. Top, the top is the menu. The center is your editor, and bottom of the blue bar, that is the status bar, where you will see the language mode, Git branch, and more. Create a new JavaScript file. Now let's make our first file. Click on new file icon, name it hello.js and save it on your browser and save it on your file manager. Okay, follow my guideline and then write your first code console.log bracket hello world. Boom, that's your first line of JavaScript in VS Code. As you type, notice something cool. IntelliSense. This is VS Code's smarter autocomplete and suggestions. It saves time, helps avoid bugs, and works across many languages. Don't forget to save it control S or turn it on autosave from your file menu. No more losing your work by accident. Don't forget to save. You can just simply click on autosave, then it will be save your file automatically when you maintain this. Now let's switch it up. Create a new file and name it app.py. Click on your control name and save it your file. Now write a line, print bracket string single quotation, write hello from Python. Okay, and make sure your save is selected, autosave selected, or click on save button or click on Control S. Now search the extension called Python. To run the Python properly, go to extensions and search the Python extension from Microsoft. Click install. It will brings you debugging, linting, IntelliSense, and more. And click on this build run icon. Click on this run icon. It will be run your code. Let's change our string. It will be show you difference of result on your changes on the Python code. Okay, let's clear this. I have an HTML file. Just drag and drop into VS Code and it will open instantly. Edit, save, and preview it right from here. Just let's do it. Click on the open file, go to file, and then you will see like this, and click on hyphen, and you will be get a simple interface of HTML like this. Let's rename our title Stack Hub. and added a div inside your body. Let's write welcome to Tech Stack Hub. Okay, let's change it to H2. And now let's install want to preview your HTML live instant install the live preview extension. Once installed, right click on your HTML file and choose okay. Once installed, close this window and click on right, click right but right mouse and start live preview. Okay, show preview. Click on show preview. It will be create another window in next side. Let's change its word. You can see it is real time changing your preview mode, and you can real time make changes and you can see. Okay, close this window and now you can click Control Shift P. That will open a tab like that will open a window like this. You need to be click here and search things. This and change just the click upper button and lower buttons, volume button, down, down button and upper button on off and then or your cursor. You will change like this and customize your theme. Choose from light, dark, or install your own theme from extensions marketplace. Make VS Code yours. And that's it. This 7 minutes, you have learned how to open a VS, how to open a project folder, navigate the VS Code UI, edit in JavaScript and Python, install extensions, preview HTML